So in this video we'll see what XCHG instruction is. So basically the syntax of XCHG is just XCHG and nothing else. It is a 1 byte instruction in 8085. Now let's say we have some content in our DE pair register, let's say 1 2 3 4H, and then we have some content in our HL pair which is 5 6 7 8H. Now what XCHG does is, or what the implementation of XCHG does is, it basically interchanges the content of HL and DE pair, just HL and DE pair. This particular instruction is not associated with BC pair. So if you execute XCHG, once these values are placed, what happens now is in DE pair we get the value 5 6 7 8H, and then in HL pair we get the value 1 2 3 4H. So this is all this instruction does, basically interchanges data or content, interchanges content of HL and DE pair.